Dimensions: 16 by 1.5 x 20 framed. Proudly made in USA. Our texturized Giclee lithograph is perfectly finished with a 1.5-inch thick wood grain frame. Our 3-frame finishes accent almost all room types. Ready to hang, no installation or hardware needed. Design by Dyachenko. It is time to set up your room with our fresh new, framed Giclee textured wall art pieces. You may have seen our wooden or canvas products, but our framed products are now available in 3 alluring styles: black, gray farmhouse and white. Our textured artwork will add more depth and dimension to any space. Each piece is mounted with a 1.5-inch thick gray farm wood grain frame that is ready to hang. Looking for a statement piece? We have oversized artwork available. Top reviews from the United States. Cuteness. I can't get over his face. Looks just like our bottle baby calf. Must have for any cattle ranch home.